Hi Fragrance fam, I'm Beth, and today I'm using our version of Rose Water and Ivy by Bath & Body Works to make some bath melts. These are like a soothing, solid version of a gentle bubble bath. With a fragrance that's fresh and floral, they're an easy addition to your line of soaps or bath bombs. The key ingredient here is some shea butter. You can use just about any solid butter you want, like cocoa, mango, or kokum, but keep in mind that these are all a little firmer than shea butter. To keep the bath melts firm, I'm adding in a tiny bit of beeswax. Feel free to omit this if you use a harder butter or swap it out for a candelilla wax for a vegan product. Just reduce the amount you use by half, since candelilla wax is firmer than beeswax. In a heat-safe container, melt the two solids down. Once liquid, remove them from the heat and check the temp. When it's sitting at 120 degrees or lower, you'll add one of my favorite components of these melts, Lumerol K5229. This is a super unique surfactant that's oil-based but still creates plenty of bubbles. It's special because typical water-soluble surfactants like cocoa betaine wouldn't blend into our shea butter base. It used to be kind of hard to find, but it's popped up on a lot of personal care and beauty supply sites lately. Stir it in, followed up by our version of Bath & Body Works Rose Water and Ivy. I really love this one for soap and bath bombs, so it'll fit right in as a bath melt. The notes of musky rose and alluring ivy are soft yet distinct. You can pour this up into some molds as is, or you can sprinkle some dried rose petals into each cavity. Since this is an anhydrous recipe, you don't have to worry about the petals going bad like you would in melt and pour soap. When customers use the bath melt, just scoop the petals out of the bath after they've been used. After 24 hours of cooling and curing, pop each melt out and bag them up. They're so adorable and tiny. To use one, just toss it in your hot bath water and it'll fill the tub with moisturizing, soft, bubbly goodness as it melts. And thanks to the Lumerol K, there won't be any floating oil residue that will leave the tub slippery after the bath. That wraps it up for today. Thanks for watching, Fragrance fam. If you want to try out this fragrance, be sure to pick up a sample from afi-usa.com/shop. Let us know what fragrances you'd like to see featured next on our channel. Follow for more business tips and product ideas. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye!